In this video, we will discuss the previous year questions from the group 17. These are very important reasoning questions. So the first question is, halogen act as strong oxidizing agent. Why? So the answer is, halogens are most electronegative and they have easily accept an electron to obtain the noble gas configuration. Hence, they act as strong oxidizing agent. Next question, arrange HClO3, HClO2 and HClO4 in increasing order of their acid strength. This is the answer. HClO2 is the least acidic, and as the number of oxygen increases, acidic strength increases, because in case of HClO4, this is a structure, and when it loses the H plus ion, it forms this anion which easily stabilized by resonance by more number of structure than in case of less number of oxygen. So all the acidic strength is depend upon stabilization by resonance. Greater the resonance, more will be the stability, hence higher will be the acidic strength. Next question, bond dissociation energy of F2 is less than Cl2. So in F2, due to small size, there is strong inter-electronic repulsion between the lone pairs of F2 molecule. Now we know that in case of fluorine, the size is small and it also possesses the 3 lone pair on each fluorine atom, and because the size is small and this is strong inter-electronic repulsion, due to which this bond easily break, or we can say the bond dissociation energy of F2 is less than that of Cl2. And what is the reason for Cl2? It will be vice versa. Cl2 has bigger size than F2. There is size of Cl is large. There is less inter-electronic repulsion. Hence, bond dissociation energy is high. Next question. Hi is the stronger acid than HCl. Now, as we move down the group from fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, the size goes on increasing that of anion, due to which bond strength decreases down the group. And when the bond strength decreases, it can easily release the H plus ion, hence it is strong acid. So bond strength of Hi is weaker than that of HCl, and what is the reason? Because bigger size of. So answer is, bond strength of Hi is weaker than that of HCl, and reason because of bigger size of I, hence Hi easily release H plus ion, hence stronger acid than HCl. Next question is also related to the previous one. Here also we are discussing the acidic strength. So in general, the acidic strength of halogens, HF is the weakest acid and Hi is the strongest, as I have already discussed that bond length of Hi bond length is very high, due to which bond strength decreases and it easily releases the I minus. Now what happened in case of HF again? So answer is, HF bond length is shorter than HCl. This bond length is shorter than HCl, and as the bond length increase in HCl, so as bond length increases, it's easy to release H plus ion as bond dissociation energy decreases. So we can say, so the bond dissociation energy of HCl is less than that of HF, hence HF is a weaker acid. And one more thing, HF also involved in hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding with different HFs. Next question, why ICl is more reactive than I2? Now what is the difference between ICl and I2? This one is the interhalogen compound and this one is simple halogen. Now always interhalogens are more reactive than halogen. This question can framed in another way also. Why interhalogen is more reactive than halogen? So the one common reason is, so in halogen, that is if we take any halogen XX, the same p orbital overlap, whereas in case of interhalogen, when interhalogen two different halogens are used, different p orbital overlap, due to which the bond strength, or we can say XX bond dash, XX dash meaning interhalogen bond, is weaker than that of halogen, and since bond is weaker, hence it is more reactive. Next question, fluorine does not exhibit the positive oxidation state. Now fluorine is the most electronegative element in the group. Since it is most electronegative element, it cannot exhibit the positive oxidation state.